Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to apply an early payment discount when recording a customer payment on an invoice. First, you go to New, and then under the Customer column, Receive Payment. Select the customer, and you can choose the invoice from here. This is also a good way to do it if you're not sure if they took a discount or not. So when you go to Receive Payment, you're going to see that, let's say the check is for $229.82 and you see a balance of $239. That's a good sign. That's a sign that says, hey, they took a discount. So you can literally just click on the invoice and then that'll open up on the screen. So leave without saving because we didn't do anything. We're just opening the invoice. And then we're going to scroll down. So the terms is 2/10 net 30. So that means that if they pay within 10 days, they get a 2% discount. Otherwise, it's net 30. So we just click on discount, make sure the toggle is at percentage, and just hit 2 and then tab. And then it's going to give you the $8.50 discount. So then you just want to save it, and then you go to Receive Payment, and then choose your payment method, and the amount received is $229.82. And then you just save and close. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and leave a comment so other people can find it too. Thank you.